Mangroves play a critical role in protecting coastal ecosystems and maintaining environmental balance. They act as natural barriers against tidal forces, reduce erosion, and support rich biodiversity. Using drone-derived elevation data, both surface and terrain models were generated. By subtracting terrain elevation from surface elevation, a canopy height model was developed. Mangroves were classified based on canopy height into low, medium, and dense vegetation zones. This analysis provides insights into vegetation health, biomass distribution, and ecosystem resilience. The results are essential for environmental impact assessments and sustainable coastal planning. Integrating drone data and geospatial intelligence for advanced ecological assessment.